Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix echoes of Aincrad gamepad or controller not working problem. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power, then select restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, you have to go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input, and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, come back again, select disable Steam input, and then check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select default settings and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So it may take some time, wait for it, and after verifying the game files, launch the game and check if controller is working now. Next is to update controller drivers. So for that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the search option. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, restart your PC and then check if a controller is working or not. If not, next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, you have to go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices. Remove the controller from here by clicking on three dot icon, then click on remove device. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add device, click on everything else, and after that, here you have to add your controller, and after that check if it's working now. If it doesn't work, next method is to update Windows. So make sure Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Windows update option. After that, click on check for updates. This will check if there is any update available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check if controller is working now. Next is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check. So go to the library section. Here you will be able to see an update option. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to enter big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Here in the upper section, you can see big picture mode. So simply click on it. After you enter big picture mode, select your game, then click on the play button. After that, click on Steam, click on power, and then select exit big picture mode. Now after that, check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tools. So for that, you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google, or simply you have to open the link that I have already provided in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, you have to go below and you have to click on the download option. Now after downloading DS4 Windows tool, you have to install it on your PC. After that, once done, now launch the game and then check for the error if the problem is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.